Good morning students, hope you all safe at home. In last video we had seen exercise 1.4 introduction part in chapter 1 numbers. Today we will see what is square roots, then what are the methods we can solve these square roots. Here squaring a number is another mathematical operation, okay, like addition, subtraction, multiplication. Squaring also another mathematical operations. So if we hear the word inverse means opposite. So inverse of 1 is minus 1. So inverse of subtraction is addition. Inverse of division is multiplication. Like that, squaring also as an inverse operation, namely finding the square roots. Okay, finding the square roots for the number. So the square root of a number n written root of n or n to the power of 1 by 2. So here one example is given. Root of 81 is 9. How means if you multiply 9 in 2 times, 9 into 9, we will get 81. So 9 nines are 81. The square root for 81 is 9. If you see, square root for 16 is what? 4, because 4 fours are 16. Squaring for 25 is 5. 5 5s are 25. Understand? So here in the perfect squares are given and also reason is given. If you see this tabular column, you can understand that root of 36 is equal to 6. Why means because 6 6 are 36. 6 square is equal to 36. We can write 6 square, or we can write 36, or we can write 6 square equal to 36. Understand? So here if 11 square equal to 121. So what is root of 121? Understand? Root of 121 is 11, because 11 11s are 121. So 11 is the answer. Understand? So like that, you need to find, you take some number and find the perfect square. So next one is square root through prime factorization method. So prime factorization method we have solved already by using the LCM method, the prime numbers. So what is prime number? The prime numbers are multiplied by 1 and the number itself. Okay, so using prime numbers we can solve, we can find the square root. If we take the first number 6, so prime factorization of the number is 6 into 6 is equal to 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. The square of given numbers, square 6 square is equal to 36. The square of given numbers is 6 square, that is 36. So how we can write 36? Here we have 6 equal to 2 into 3. So here 6 square means 2 into 3 square. If you see here, 6 square is 36, 2 into 3, so 36. If you take prime factorization, if the LCM method you can use. So by taking the prime factorization method, you can multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So here 2 into 2, 2 square, 3 into 3, 3 square. That's why they written 2 into 3 whole square. So by solving the problems, you can understand clearly. Here the pink color points is given. The number of times a prime factor occurs in the square of a number is equal to twice the number of times it occurs in the prime factorization of the number. So this is what? The number of times a prime factor occurs in the square of a number. So number of times. So 2 into 3 is there. Here 2 times. The twice the number of the times. Okay, twice. That means 2 into 3 whole square. 2 times it's come. Here 2 into 2 into 2 is there. 3. Here we will have 6. 3 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 6 times. So here twice the number of times it occurs in the prime factorization of the number. So this is prime factorization for square root. If you see the example sum, find the square root of 324 by prime factorization method. Prime factorization method means using prime number we need to take, we need to factorize by using the LCM method. Okay, so LCM method already we had learned. So listen here, the 324 is there. First we need to take 2. Okay, so 1 2 is 2, here 3 is there, so remainder 1. So if we keep 1 here, it will become 12. Then 6 2s are 12, 2 2s are 4. Now again we can take 2 table. So 8 2s are 16, 1 2 is 2. Again we can solve by 3 table. The next number is 3. Prime numbers, you know what are the prime numbers. So what is prime numbers? So use only the prime number. 2 3s are 6, carries 2 21, 7 3s are 21. Again we can use 3 tables. So 9 3s are 27, again 3 table. 3 3s are 9, 3, 1 3 is 3. Till 1 we need to take factorize the number. So here 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So like that we need to write here. Now we can separate by squaring the numbers. So 2 into 2 we can return 2 square, 3 into 3 3 square, 3 into 3 3 square. So now we can cancel the squares. 2 into 3 into 3 whole square. Then if you take root on both side, so root 324, here only 324 is there. When taking roots on both side, so root 324 is equal to root of 2 into 3 into 3 whole square. If we have root, we can cancel the squares. Here 2 and square root will be cancelled. Understand? So this 2 and square roots will be cancelled. The remaining part is 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 3s are 6, then 6 3s are 18. So 18 is the answer. Understand? So this is the simple method, the prime factorization method, to solve the square root numbers. So now finding the square root of a number by long division method. So this is very important, long division method. So listen carefully. Here one illustration is given. So why we are using long division method means, when we have large numbers, if we have small number means we can use prime factorization method. If we have large number, we cannot use the prime factorization method, we cannot long division. So this will be very useful to solve the biggest number, finding square root for the biggest number. So here illustration is given, find the square root of 576 by long division method. So step 1, these are the important steps. So listen carefully and understand. Group the digits in pairs starting with the digit in the units place. Okay, first we have to separate the digits into pair. We see here 576 from pair on left hand side. So from left hand side we need to pair the number. So first 76 is there, here 5 is there. The 5 it's not having the pair, so we can leave this 5. So each pair and the remaining digit, if any, is called a period, but a bar over every pair of digits starting from the right of the given number. Okay, right hand side. From right hand side we have to pair the number. If there are odd number of digits, odd number means a single number, extreme left digits will be without a bar sign above it. Okay, so in left hand side if we have only one number, we can leave that. So next step is, think of the largest number whose square is equal to or just less than the first period. So first we need to take first period. First is 5 is there, we need to take less than or equal to. If we have 4 means 2 to the 4 will come, or 5 is there, So less than square number is 4. That's why I have told you need to memorize or you need to know the square numbers. Okay, 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 twos are 3 threes are 9, 4 fours are 16, 5 fives are 25. Like that you have to write, you have to memorize, then only easily you can solve this. So here 2, first square number is 4, so 2 twos are 4. So less than 4 is less than 5. When we subtract we will get 1. Understand, this is first step. Listen carefully, we need to take the left hand side number less than or equal to square numbers, not the natural number or prime number, the square numbers. Square numbers are 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9, then 16, 25, 36. These are the numbers. Now we can take 2 twos are 4. Understand? Now step 3, bring 76 down and write it down to the right of the remainder. So here we have to bring 76, the remainder is 1, then we have to bring 76, it becomes 176. To find the new divisor, multiply the earlier quotient. So this step is very important. So earlier quotient is what? 2. So we have to multiply with 2. So if any number is given, 5 means we have to multiply with 2, 100 means we have to multiply with 2. Okay, for all the number we have to multiply with 2 always. Here it's given. So 2 twos are 4 will come. Here the next digit we don't know, so leave it. Next step we can see what we can do. The new divisor is 4 followed by digit. We should choose the digit next to 4 such that the new quotient multiplied by the new divisor. Okay, so here 4 is there. The next digit we have to find, it should be less than or equal to the number. Understand? So here clearly the required digit here has to be 4 or 6. Why they are given 4 or 6? So see this, 176 is there, so last digit is 6. So where, in which table, in which factor 6 will come? 4 fours are 16 will come, 6 6 are 36 will come on the right corner of the number. So 6 6 are 36, the last digit is 6, 36, then 4 fours are 16. Other numbers it will not come. If you take 6 6, 5 5s are 25 will come, last digit is 5. 9 9s are 81, last digit is 1. So last digit should come as 6. So that's why they have given 4 or 6. First if we find 46 into 6 means 6 6 are 36, then 6 4s are 24 plus 3 27, 6. Okay, 276. Whereas if you use 4 4s are 16, carries 1, 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17, 176. So here we should use what? 4. So in quotient also 4, in divisor also it should be 4. So 4 4s are 16. So last digit should be 6. Easily you can multiply. 4 4s are 16, carries 1, 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17, 176. Remainder is 0. So the square root of 576 is 24. Understand? So one more illustration we will see, then you can clearly understand. So here, before that I will read this illustration. So the number is square root of 2,88,369. Okay, so how to find these square root numbers by using long division method? So first step is what? We have to separate the number into digits, okay, from right corner. So 96, so 69, the last two digit is 69. Here 38, so 83. Here 82, so 28. So first we have to separate the numbers into two digits. Then first two digit on the left hand side is 28. If you take the square root numbers, 4 4s are 16 will come. Then next number is 5 5s are 25. Say 25 is less than 28. The next number is 6 6 are 36. 36 is greater than 28. So we can take 5. 5 into 5, 25. So when we subtract 28 minus 25, we will get 3. The next step is we have to bring the next two digit into downside. So 83, if you bring, it will become 383. So what is the next step? 5 ways are 25 we have written. So the quotient into 2, always we have to multiply with 2. So 5 into 2 will get 10. Understand? So 10, the next number we don't know, so we should check with the numbers. So 383 is there. Here already 10 is there. So if we use 3 3s are 9, 3 into 0 0, 3 1s are 3, 309. So if we use 1 means here also we should use 1. If we put 2, here also we should use 2. Okay, if you use 2 means 2 0, 202 will come. Here if we use 3 3s are 9, 3 zeros are 0, 3 1s are 3. This is less than 383. If you use 4 4s are 16 will come, carries 1, 4 1s are 4. It will become 400. So this is the less than 383. So 383 minus 309, when we subtract we will get 74. So listen here, we have 74. So what is the next step? We have to multiply the quotient with 2. Always we have to multiply with 2. So 3 2s are 6. Understand? So first two digit 10, 3 2s are 6. So 106. Here one dash is there. We have to fill this and bring next two digit 69. So here 106. So last digit is 69. So last digit is 9. So in which square numbers 9 will come? Again you have to check with the square root numbers. 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. Okay, so when it will come, 3 3s are 9 will come. Again 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36, 7 7s are 49. So last digit will be 9. So we can check with 7. So if we use 7, 7 7s are 49, 9 carries 4, 7 6 are 42 plus 4 46, again 4, 7 zeros are 0, 4 is there, 7 1s are 7. So 7 4 6 9. When you subtract we will get 0. The quotient is 537. 537 into 537 we will get 2,88,369. Understand? So this is long division method. So watch the video carefully and read the steps. Again take the PDF, or if you have book you can read the step one by one, then you can understand. Now find the square of the following numbers. So square of the following numbers, simply they have given. So how to find the square of the following number? Square of the number means we have to multiply the number with the same number. So if they given 2 means we have to multiply with 2. 8 means we have to multiply with 8. Here 17 is given, we have to multiply with 17. 17 into 17. So 119 plus 70. Understand? So 7 7s are 49, 9 carries 4, 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 4 11. Okay, 119. Then we have to add on 0, 1 7 is 7, 1 1s are 1. So 9, 7 plus 1 8, 1 plus 1 2. So 203. The square of the number 203 is 203 into 203. And we multiply the simple multiplication with the same number. Understand? Then examine if each of the following is a perfect square. We have to examine with the perfect square. So how to find the perfect square? By prime factors. Okay, the LCM method, a simple method. So 725 is there. So last digit is 5. So we can take what number? 5. So here 1 5 is 5, carries 2, 22, 4 5s are 20, carries 2, 25, 5 5s are 25. Again we can use 5. Last digit is 5, so we can use 5 table. 29 5s are 145. So 29 is the prime number. So we cannot take square, or we cannot cancel this. So 1 in 29, 29 will come. Understand? So here for 5 we have the pair 5 square. For 29 there is no pair. Okay, so it's not a perfect square. Okay, 725 it's not a perfect square. So perfect square means we should have the numbers into 2 times. If 5 and 5, 2 5s are there, here 29, if we get again 29 it will be perfect square, but we don't have the pair for 29, so it's not a perfect square. So see this sum 190. So if we take 190, the LCM method, prime factorization method, means 95 2s are 190 will come. Again 5 table, 19 5s are 95. So 19 is the prime number, so we cannot factor this. So 19 5s are 95. So 19 is single. Here 2 also we don't have another 2 here. 5 also it's not having its pair, so it's not a perfect square. Understand? Perfect square means we should have the pair of number. 2 means 2 into 2, 3 means 3 into 3, like that. So next sum is find the square root by prime factorization method. So this is also same by using the prime numbers, prime factorization. 144, first sum is 144. So 144, if we take 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 is there, so we can solve by 2 table. 3 2s are 6, carries 1 12, 6 2s are 12. Again 2, 1 2 is 2, carries 1 16, 8 2s are 16. Then 3, 9 2s are 18. Then 3 3s are 9. The numbers are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Understand? So 2 into 2, 2 square, 2 into 2, 2 square, 3 into 3, 3 square will come. If we take square roots, square root for 144, we can cancel the square and the root. So we will get 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 12 is the answer. 12 12s are 144. Understand? Here 256 is there. If we use this method, prime factorization method, we will get 2 into 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 2. So how many 2s are there? 8 times. If you multiply the 2, we will get 256. 8 times means if we pair or take square numbers, it will become 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times. So 2 square into 2 square into 2 square into 2 square. So root and square will be cancelled. If we multiply, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 16 is the square root, perfect root for 256. Understand? This is the method we should find the square root by using prime factorization method. So watch the video carefully till you understand, and write all the sums up to 5th sum you need to write. So these are the sums of homework, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th. Like that in 4th sum also you have homework. So complete up to 5th sum, exercise 1.4, 5th sum in your class note. Thank you students, have a good day.